Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Today we will be talking about a news that we are seeing recently, that a headline that was made. If you see that I have already a news opened here. So Anthropic CEO Dario saying that AI will do everything software engineer do in 12 months. So if you read this, that Anthropic CEO Dario says AI system will soon be capable of doing almost everything as a software engineer does today, and that moment could arrive much sooner than we expect. So if you are a software engineer, right, or you are trying to, or you are in a process to become one, maybe in your college, you need to look at this headline. We are not talking here about like 10 years or something when the AI will replace software engineers, but we are saying that it is like 6 to 12 months away, when the model is doing most, maybe all, what SWE software engineers do end to end. So yeah, so this is what this news article says. So being in this field for around 8 years, I am a 29-year-old engineer. I am hearing this news for quite some time now. Though I'm not saying it's wrong or something. I'm just saying that it is like, I'm just telling you that it is half right and half wrong. So what do I mean by when I say it is half right or half wrong? This is my personal opinion, and this is what I think, um why it is half right only. So let's break down what software engineer actually does, right? Um, Most people, especially beginners, think this is the job, right? What job is it, right? So if I, let's say, draw a box, okay, I will say this as a code, right? So when a beginner software engineer, they think that writing syntax, writing loops, fixing CSS, um, is what mostly software engineer does. I will generally call this as a vibe coding nowadays, because you are getting a ticket, you type a code, you push the code, and you are done with it. So if we are doing this only right now, right? So I would say this is not. I would say this is. I will try to cross it. The reason being is that this can be easily replaced by AI, because I've seen in my job, when I'm using cursor also, AI can give you code with very better accuracy in a very quick amount of time. So if you are focusing just on writing loops and writing syntax, then yeah, this piece of thing can be easily replaceable by AI. So then yeah, we are in trouble if we think that this is the only aspect of software engineering that we are doing. Um so let's talk about why I say, as I said, it is half right, so and half wrong. So what is the wrong part here is that, if I took this thing, right, and if I this is what I consider software engineering, basically architecturing, architect part. So architect part is like, why I'm encapsulating code in architect part is that, this piece of area, right, this blue box area is involved with, uh, how we want to design our system. So I agree that AI is a great typist. When I say typist, is it can give you good syntax, it can write a good programs and all, but it's a terrible architect. It doesn't know why we are using a specific database. It doesn't know how to handle system crash during any, let's say, big billion day or Black Friday sales. It doesn't understand business trade-off. So this particular section, right? I would say this is the section we should focus on, like how we want to design our system, how we want to build our system. So it generally involves like, let's say we have a DB, which DB to use, as I said, how to structure our API, and how the connection to user, like how the user will going to connect to these APIs. So all these things, which involves designing the system, um, should not be replaceable soon, because this is an architecturing part. It requires some thinking aspect of it. So according, what I think is, the money isn't in writing the code anymore. The money is in designing the system that the AI writes for you, right? We think that, okay, we are planning to use Postgres for this particular problem. Then yeah, we will, AI can help you write, establish the connection, set up some basically boilerplate code for you. So that's how AI is helping you, enabling your application to go faster in production. So that's how I think we should look at it. So I would say, don't panic, pivot. We have to pivot. We have to stop focusing purely on syntax and start focusing on architecture and backend logics. Focusing, focus on language that are infrastructure, and we should master system design. So currently in my, this is the one motive of starting this channel, is that I also want to learn new things. So if you are interested in learning system design concepts, please follow my channel, subscribe to the channel, because in coming weeks I will be dropping some of the, so how we can design a better system, and we together can learn some new things in system design. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Please share, subscribe, and uh, uh, add comment if you want to basically want me to say anything more on system design part, or any other concept. Thank you all.